Have you noticed? Slime is everywhere. Kids love it. Adults love it. It's become a global phenomenon, captivating people of all ages. From classrooms to living rooms, slime has found its way into our daily lives. But what is it about this gooey substance that has everyone so enchanted? Even pets can't resist its squishy charm. Cats paw at it curiously, and dogs seem fascinated by its unique texture. It's as if slime has a universal appeal that transcends species. But what is it about slime that makes it so popular? Is it the vibrant colors, the satisfying stretch, or the endless possibilities for creativity? Perhaps it's a combination of all these factors that makes slime so irresistible. Maybe it's the way it feels in your hands, so soft and squishy. The tactile sensation of slime is unlike anything else. It's almost therapeutic, providing a calming effect as you knead and mold it. Or maybe it's the cool sounds it makes when you poke and stretch it. The gentle pops and clicks are oddly satisfying, creating an auditory experience that complements the tactile one. It's a multi-sensory delight. Slime is like a toy, a stress ball, and a sensory experience all rolled into one. It's no wonder that people use it for relaxation and stress relief. The act of playing with slime can be incredibly soothing, helping to melt away the worries of the day. Slime is also super fun to make at home. The process of creating slime is an adventure in itself. Mixing the ingredients, watching the transformation, and finally getting to play with your creation is a rewarding experience for both kids and adults. With just a few simple ingredients, you can create your own gooey masterpieces. Glue, borax, water, and a bit of food coloring are all you need to get started. And the best part? You can experiment with different recipes to find the perfect slime consistency. You can customize your slime with different colors, textures, and even scents. Add glitter for some sparkle, or essential oils for a pleasant aroma. The possibilities are endless, allowing you to create a slime that's uniquely yours. Are you ready to dive into the wonderful world of slime? Let's get started. Whether you're a seasoned slime enthusiast or a curious beginner, there's always something new to discover. So grab your ingredients, roll up your sleeves, and let's make some slime magic happen. First things first, let's learn how to make basic slime. Slime is a fun and easy project that you can do at home with just a few simple ingredients. It's a great way to explore the science of polymers and have some hands-on fun. So, gather your materials and let's get started. You'll need white glue, liquid starch, and food coloring if you want colored slime. White glue is the base of your slime, and liquid starch acts as the activator that turns the glue into slime. Food coloring is optional, but it adds a fun touch to your creation. Pour some glue into a bowl. The amount of glue you use will determine how much slime you end up with. Start with about half a cup of glue, but you can always adjust the quantities based on your preference. Add a few drops of food coloring if you want colored slime. You can mix different colors to create your own unique shade. Stir the food coloring into the glue until it's evenly distributed. Then, slowly add the liquid starch, mixing constantly. It's important to add the starch gradually to avoid making the slime too stiff. Start with a tablespoon of starch, and keep adding it little by little while stirring. Keep adding starch until your slime pulls away from the sides of the bowl. This means the slime is coming together and is no longer sticky. Once it reaches this consistency, you can start kneading it with your hands. Now let's get fancy. For butter slime, add a few tablespoons of lotion to your basic slime recipe. The lotion will make the slime softer and more pliable. You can use any type of lotion, but unscented is best if you want to avoid any strong smells. Mix well. This will make your slime super soft and stretchy. The more you knead the slime, the softer it will become. Butter slime is perfect for those who love a smooth, buttery texture. For magnetic slime, mix in some iron oxide powder, which is available online, to your slime. Iron oxide powder is what gives the slime its magnetic properties. Be sure to wear gloves and work in a well-ventilated area when handling the powder. Now hold a magnet near your slime and watch it magically move. The iron oxide particles in the slime are attracted to the magnet, creating a fascinating effect. You can experiment with different types of magnets to see how they interact with the slime. For glow-in-the-dark slime, stir in some glow-in-the-dark paint or powder to your slime. This type of slime is perfect for nighttime fun, or for adding a spooky touch to your slime collection. Make sure the paint or powder is non-toxic and safe for use. Turn off the lights and watch your slime glow. The glow-in-the-dark effect is activated by light, so you can charge your slime by exposing it to a light source before turning off the lights. Enjoy your magical glowing slime creation. Slime is like a science experiment you can play with. Here are some fun experiments to try. For fizzy slime, add a spoonful of baking soda to your slime. Then drop in a few drops of vinegar. Watch your slime fizz and bubble. For fluffy slime, mix in some shaving cream to your slime. This will make it super fluffy and cloud-like. For glitter slime, add glitter to your slime for extra sparkle. You can use fine glitter, chunky glitter, or even holographic glitter. Slime is also perfect for some harmless pranks. Imagine the fun you can have with just a bit of creativity and a glob of slime. Whether you're looking to surprise your friends or just have a good laugh, slime pranks are the way to go. Here are a few ideas to get you started on your slimy adventures. Fake spill. Make a puddle of clear slime on a plate. This one is a classic and always gets a good reaction. Then accidentally drop the plate, make sure it's unbreakable. The key is to act natural like it was a real accident. People will think you spilled something. Watch their faces as they react in shock, only to realize it's just slime. Gooey handshake. Offer someone a handshake with a glob of slime hidden in your palm. They'll be surprised. This prank is perfect for catching someone off guard. Slime monster? Hide a small amount of slime in your hand. This one is for those who love a bit of drama. Then, make a scary face and pretend the slime is your tongue. It's a hilarious way to spook your friends. Remember, pranks should always be lighthearted and fun. The goal is to make everyone laugh, including the person being pranked. Never do anything that might hurt someone or damage property. Safety first. Always ensure that your pranks are safe and enjoyable for everyone involved. And don't forget to clean up after your pranks. A responsible prankster always leaves the places they found it. So, gather your friends, get your slime ready, and let the giggles begin. Happy pranking. Have you ever noticed how relaxing slime sounds can be? It's like a mini escape from stress. The squishing, poking, and stretching noises can be very calming and soothing to the mind. This is called ASMR, which stands for Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response, a unique experience. ASMR is a tingling sensation that some people experience when they hear certain sounds or watch certain visuals. Slime is a great way to trigger ASMR. Try recording yourself playing with it and see how it feels. Now that you know all about slime, it's time to get your hands dirty. Gather your ingredients, choose your favorite recipe, and let your creativity run wild. Don't be afraid to experiment with different colors, textures, and add-ins. You can even come up with your own unique slime creations. What kind of slime will you make first? Will it be buttery, soft, magnetic, or glow in the dark? The possibilities are endless. The world of slime is full of creative and passionate people. Share your slime creations with the world. You can post pictures and videos of your slime online or even start your own slime blog or YouTube channel. You can also connect with other slime enthusiasts online and share tips, tricks, and inspiration. Slime is more fun when you share it with others. So what are you waiting for? Get out there and get slimy!